Some Pharisees came to him to test him. They asked,
Is it lawful for a man to divorce his wife for any and every reason?
Haven't you read
he replied,
that at the beginning the Creator made them male and female, and said for this reason a man will leave his father and mother and be united to his wife, and the two will become one flesh. So they're no longer two, but one. Therefore what God has joined together, let man not separate.
Why then
they asked,
did Moses command that a man give his wife a certificate of divorce and send her away?
Jesus replied,
Moses permitted you to divorce your wives because your hearts were hard, but it was not this way from the beginning. I tell you that anyone who divorces his wife except for marital unfaithfulness and marries another woman commits adultery.
The disciples said to him,
If this is the situation between a husband and wife, it's better not to marry.
Jesus replied,
Not everyone can accept this word, but only those to whom it has been given. For some are eunuchs because they were born that way.
Others were made that way by men, and others have renounced marriage because of the kingdom of heaven. The one who can accept this should accept it.